So this is a brief video showcasing the Dahua Technologies demo van. This is van 2. They have your 2 of these available to come to your premises and showcase technology to you and to all end user. You can see some of the amazing features and functions that Dahua have on show. They have a nice screen on the side of there. Also up on top, very up on top of there, they have the Hubble and the Hunter cameras. Give you a better shot, and also you can see some of the field of views once you go inside. Inside, if you pop in, watch the step. With a range of cameras and range of screens, you can see all these products in front of you. So we have on display here, we have the IVSS showing the Hubble, range of cameras, 7 series bullet, multi-sensor panoramic, in addition to another series multi-sensor panoramic, fisheye camera, people counting camera. What else have we got here? TOPEZ, we all know good the technology is available in that. Some thermals, as you can see, thermals on display. This is the 1 series Eureka camera, great product. Also a thermal pan and tilt version. There's a video now on our YouTube channel if you want to see how good it actually is. TOCs, a range of TOCs, as you can see, bullets and anti-vandal domes, actually turrets, and loads of other products on display. Water tracking PTZ, anti-ligature cameras, loads of products for loads of different applications. Let's see what they've got here. So as you can see, there's a few technologies set up on display here. So we're using the AI for recognition, so facial recognition, also vehicle and human classification. So some of the products are used in a monitoring environment. So if you have to use these cameras for that kind of solution, it can give you reduced false alarms for better performance, to reduce your man hours, false alarms, call outs, whatever it may be. This technology will reduce that for you. This is one of the products on top of the van. As you can see, this is the fisheye that's above my head. Not gone bald, not quite yet. And all the other products, as you can see, this one's got the stats for entering an X in the vehicle, and also loads of other tripwires. And as you can see, tripwire, human, everything that's been classified by the logged on the right hand side pane of the MVR. In addition to that, we also have some access control equipment. So we have the facial recognition terminal with fingerprint recognition. Also the small form factor facial terminal with procs, and also pin and procs there. So multiple products for multiple applications. In addition, we have the intercoms. So the video intercom. So this is the single intercom, one call button to an indoor monitor. Let's cancel that, don't know ringing forever. We have a range of monitors. There's 3 options. This is the 10-inch Android version, and these are the 2 smaller versions, 7 inches. You can have a choice of call buttons, again, calling the center screen. Or you can use the keypad there. I'm going to stop ringing a second. Or the 3rd screen. As you can see, multiple applications whether for single dwelling or single door to multiple occupancy using keypad or physical buttons. Let's call that off. And also they have smart screens. The ability to use these in a classroom application. We have this in our training facility here at Prima, as well as display media and your content. You have the ability to write on the screen. So let's go Prima yellow, it's right on here. Look at that, nice yellow as well. Real distributors showing you real products. In the Dahua van, loads of technology available on display. Don't forget, this can come to your premises to showcase these products to your customers or the end users. Don't forget, if you need to use this, speak to one of the Prima team. We can arrange to get this, and you can have all this on display for you and your customers. Thank you very much. See you all again soon.